welcome to the Manosphere Paradigm, the channel where we learn to level up in health, wealth, relationship, and hobbies. Hit the like button, subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. Guys, don't let me repeat this every video, and I don't see you guys subscribing. You're watching my content, you're checking it out, but you're not dropping the like and not dropping the subscribe. Better winner. Come on, guys. Support this channel. Today I want to get into another RP comedy session with a comedian called Blaq Ron. I want you to check this out. He's hilarious. I enjoy his comedy. Let's get into it.
Ladies, hold your hand up if you've ever shot your shot at a dude and got rejected. I'm talking about he tumbled your ass. Like, yeah, I ain't talking about he was like, no thank you, I'm married. That's not rejection. That's him being an upstanding man. I'm talking about you shot your shot at him. How you doing? He was like, ugh, bitch, don't you? Did you see that bitch wave at me? Oh my fucking God. Shit has never happened. It's never happened and it never will. You know why? Because there's somebody, that want to fuck you in your life, in your community, on your street. I promise you. Right now.
Yeah. When it comes to men and women can't be friends, that is what Blaq Ron is talking about. When it comes to ladies and females, they always say, no, I've got friends. And it's something that's so often that is being referred to and talked about on the Fresh and Fit podcast. Shout out to them, where they constantly lay it out and explain to women why men and women cannot be friends. Why? Because it's either the guy is playing the long, being in the friend zone, trying the long game of being in the friend zone and trying to work himself out of that. But as a woman, you will always be offered, you will always be offered that vitamin D. And guys, and no matter how you want to, so now we just friends, or say that me and this guy, we only, we always friends, and he knows that if he's spending his time, his resources and efforts into spending time with you for nothing else but just being a friend, believe you me, just give him a chance. That is definitely not, he's definitely not a friend.
The day that somebody want to put a log in your life, women be like, I ain't got nobody. I'm just single. Bitch, you a lie. What you have done is free zoned all the niggas that have been doing nice shit for you. Niggas are not your fucking friends.
Yep.
Don't believe me? Text that nigga like, come get this pussy, and then text him back and wait to see who.
Fresh and Fit does this all the time. The girl or the girls, they're on the show and they insist we just friends. They're talking about some guy they have in their life. No, I have a lot of male friends. I had let me go back to pull it back to myself. I was seeing this chick. We had a thing. It was going back and forth way back in the day, and she constantly. Whenever I wasn't with her, we did our thing, we had a good time, and whenever she was out and I wanted to connect with her, she's either out with another male friend or some different guy every weekend, every second week, whatever the case may be. And I just told her, you know what, this is not going to work for me, because why? I'm a guy, I'm territorial. We were seeing each other and I was thinking things were going in a direction where, we kind of like feeling each other. And then all of a sudden, she's just playing this open game of she's dating everyone. I did the same thing, but when I started seeing it's kind of like getting somewhere, I thought, there's some connection. But she was just doing a thing and just dating all these guys and saying, no, this is a friend. But she had all these guys in a friend zone. And she's benefiting with them, taking them out for drinks, taking her out, spending time, spending money, and maybe even more, most likely more. And at the end of the day, still expecting me, the sucker, wanting to come up and then be the guy to then stand in the gap and say, no, we together. No. there's so many women that say, I don't have, I just have a lot of guy friends, and that's all it is. But on Fresh and Fit, they show you the lady phones the guy and just tell him, you know what, do you want to hit it? And 9 out of 10 times, the guy's like, sure, where are you now? And what he's saying is the truth. We all know it's the truth. Ladies, you got guys in your friend zone that you're benefiting from, whether it's attention, whether it is financially, whether it is just you knowing that sucker is there, and whatever you need around the house, if you're living alone, he's gonna run around trying to fix it for you because he wants to be that white knight.
What he say? He be like, hell yeah, they text me, my bad, that wasn't for you. And see once you crush that nigga's soul.
Let's go back to that.
Come get this pussy and friends. Don't believe me? Text that nigga like, come get this pussy, and then text him back and wait to see what he say. He be like, hell yeah, they text me back, my bad, that wasn't for you. And see once you crush that nigga's soul. That nigga be at your house like, you show that message well for me. I feel like the Lord was trying to say that was for me.
He's gonna find a way. Don't play with men's hearts. Don't play with the emotions like that. You're gonna find yourself in a position where this guy is gonna rock up as like, because he's been holding it down, trying to play his position so that he can see there's a weakness and he can see a gap and he can get in. Do not play with men's emotions, ladies.
Ain't no such thing as just your fucking friend. Shit, that nigga is biding his time.
Exactly.
That nigga trying to Grand Rising, Hello Queen, Jason's Daily, your ass right.
The guys are sending you the Hello Queen, good morning, how you doing, have a great day, before you go sleep, sending you the message, hey girl, sleep tight. They playing their positions because they're waiting for a weakness. They're waiting for an opening.
Right to that goddamn bed. The worst nigga be them work husband. Right to that goddamn bed. The worst nigga be them work husband ass niggas. Acting like he your friend. Oh, what happened? Oh, he did it again. Huh? That's crazy. Don't he know what type of queen you are? Don't he know?
How could he do that to you? He doesn't deserve you. Ladies, if you got a guy that's in your ear telling you this BS, believe you me, he's playing the long game. And guys, watch out.
What he got sitting at the house waiting on him every night, I wish God would bless me as half as much as this man has been blessed. You know what pisses me off more than anything is all these bitches out here ain't meaning a nigga no good, and look at you. You be sitting there like, look at me, right? You know all the right things to say, work husband. You are the best friend a bitch could ever ask for. Oh my God, you are such a good catch.
Exactly. Understand, she's also going to play her part to make sure that she can keep that validation coming. She can keep that attention coming. And you are the one that's thinking that you're going to play that wonderful game. Like you said, this is the work husband throwing his long game. And at the end of the day, you're going to get patted on the head. Nice boy. You are such a good guy. But I don't think for me.
You trying to catch you slipping.
Exactly.
And you gonna slip. One Friday, he be like, hey, after work, a couple of us is getting together down at the bar. Couple of who? Just you and him. That's a couple, goddamn it. Couple of us meeting down at the Applebee's for some drinks and shit. Now, I know. Drinking ain't your thing. You got things you need to do. But hey, listen. How about he wonder where you at for once?
Again, he's playing the long game, sowing division in that relationship. Watch out, guys, ladies. These guys be smooth out here.
Come have a good time on me. Let your hair down. Relax. You deserve this. Queen? Next thing you know, it was an entanglement. That's
Exactly. It was an entanglement with August. Entanglement with August.
I didn't cheat it, had cheated, but we had entangled.
Entangled. Ah, that is hilarious. This is Blaq Ron. I've enjoyed watching his stand up comedy and some of his shows that he's been doing. He's up and coming. I don't know for how long. I haven't checked that deep into it, but I can see I haven't seen him before. I don't know him, but with what he's coming out, the type of comedy and content that he's coming with, and some of the things that's so relevant to today, that's happening in real life, and people can relate to it and definitely laugh at it because maybe they see themselves in that situation. So, that was another RP comedy session. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, I'm going to do quite a number of different comedians that I like and that I can see some RP truths that's being spit by them. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Yes, guys, much. Drop a like and a comment. Drop a like and a comment on 10 videos. Watch 10 videos. Drop a like for each one and put a decent comment there to tell me about what you think about the video. And I'm going to send you a t-shirt. Yes, I'm going to send you a t-shirt to show my support, and to show that I appreciate the love that you come into this channel, checking out my content and enjoying it. Most importantly, share it with friends, share it with family. Let's have conversation about the topics that relates to the manosphere, and I definitely appreciate your support. So I'll see you in the next vid. I'm out.